Hello everyone! I got a bunch of 18650 lithium-ion batteries for some future projects and need a way to charge them, so I figured I'd create a couple of single-cell chargers. One will use an off-the-shelf holder that you can buy online, while the other has a 3D print, which will be linked below. They both are using the TP4056 charging circuit with a USB-C connector. I'm going to start with the off-the-shelf build. It's super straightforward. You just grab the 18650 holder, solder the negative wire, in this case black, to B- on the TP4056 IC, and then solder the positive wire, in this case red, to the B+. Since mine uses vias for each of those pads, I'll be running the wire through, bending it around the pad, and then soldering it for a bit of strain relief. So let's do it. Testing it with a multimeter, there's no problem. And then connecting it to USB-C with no battery shows the blue light solid and red light blinking, which you might not be able to see, but essentially it means no battery is connected. With a battery connected, it shows it's now charging. For the 3D print, I got this really cool one made by YXC that integrates the charging IC and a printed spring mechanism. You can find it linked below. I've done the boring stuff of running a couple of wires through the holes in the ends and bending them into place. Next up is basically the exact same thing as last time. First I'll shorten the wires a bit, then I'll solder the black wire to B-, the red wire to B+, and the IC can be press fit into place like so, but I believe it's designed to be screwed down. Since I have a different board, I'll just hot glue it in place later on. I'll also hot glue the wires to prevent them from moving around. Anyway, let's get into it. Again, testing with a multimeter for connectivity, all looks good. I just have to snip a strand of wire that didn't get soldered. Now the USB-C without a battery to ensure it turns on, and we see the same LED code, which we do. Now finally with a battery, and we see it's charging. I just need to glue things down so the charging circuit doesn't try to escape. Hopefully you found this to be a quick and easy project. It's something I wanted to get done as prep for later projects, so hopefully we'll see these chargers again in the future. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next one.